Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik, robotics and electronics. This video is on my robot arm made with fischertechnik and a pneumatic hand. During the latest convention I found out that some wiring was not functional, so in this video I'm fixing that. And also the hand didn't quite function as I was used to. So that is the main focus of this video, and then I'm going to make a full test on everything, because when I look at things it's a little bit not optimal, maybe because of the transportation or maybe by neglect. Anyway, first fixing wire, testing hand, testing arm, and then other things. And the wire fix is with the pneumatic engine, which builds the pressure for the air for the hand. And this is the loose wire, so what I best can do is take it all apart. That should do the trick. This one as well. And now testing it, and for that I go to screencast. With two cameras, being top left the camera pointed at the engine, then here is the iron hand camera, the source coder and the execution terminal. Also present is the diagnostic interface, but I choose not to use it this time. I will just want to run and see if this one is actually working. I expect it to do. So let's go. Something is not quite right. The device already open. Why will that be? Close the interface, which I had not used, by the way. Alright, something is going on, and I have to find out what prior to using it. And this is a post-convention video, so it may be that something here is not quite alright. Let me replug the USB cables. This one is also active. Let's do it again. And that is a lot better. This wire fix obviously pays off. And then the arm is working nicely. So I have to let the pneumatic engine fill this air chamber. Quite dusty, by the way. And when that is all done, it's time for the hand. So I have to use both cameras for that, because with the iron hand I can only check the upper fingers and hardly the lower fingers. Anyway, this is working out. Alright, pressure has been building up. So let's begin with this finger. And so far nothing happens. This one, which is the second from, which is actually your so-called ring finger. This one should be repositioned. Right. Middle finger, no response. Index finger, no response. Thumb, no response. So it's time for me to check all the wiring and then check out if things actually do work out. because this is not nice. So, diagnostic interface, digital input, thumb is 5, 4, middle finger 3, ring finger 2, and little finger is 1. It works. It all works out. So am I too hasty with the pressure? Yes, I am. There's at least one thing loose. So I have once again to fix something. And looking at the top right here is one tube has come off. I suspect this part, which feeds everything, I am afraid. So that would be the reason that nothing is working out. So let's build up pressure and do it again. And then I will have to cancel this one. Well, time has passed and pressure has been built up. So, testing the fingers. Thumb first. Just a very little reaction. Not what I would expect after such time. Right, index finger. Nothing. Middle finger. Yep. Ring finger. Maybe I'm too fast, impatient. Right, last finger to try. Yep, but that's strange because, well, not strange, because the wire doesn't allow it to go any further. So I should leave the wires inside the arm once again. But it kind of works. Then a final thing to do is a fixation to the back side of the arm. So let's go there. And the last part for this video is the reconstruction or modification or whatever you call it of this part. It is sticking out right now, and looking at the camera you can't really see it, but I have to push this part back into it. And that supports the whole thing. And if you look at this, then the whole arm is constructed in the wrong way, because this is also at hand right here. And why is that? Because when I constructed the whole arm, I started with the hand, or with the finger actually, then I made the hand, then came the arm. So I never envisioned in the beginning that it would end up looking like this. So well, and once constructed, then you don't easily go back with other parts. So this is the way it is because of the history of the construction of the whole thing. Will there be other parts? Well, there are other parts that are just like that. Anyway, there is no going to be a whole makeover to make it right, and that's it. So testing with the hand is something that I have to repeat because of the wiring that I have to check inside the arm right here, because it's going down and it pulls the wiring, and I have to check on the pitch motor, and that is the whole arm pitch engine right here. But that's for another time. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and please leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can follow me also via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. please take a look at my website and the Patreon page. This is going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.